Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the speaker on a Samsung Galaxy A8 phone. For this we need a brush with longer bristles, ones that are a bit stiffer, well, not too stiff, more like flexible bristles. Ideally it should be soft or medium soft so it doesn't scratch the phone. For this we also need isopropyl alcohol, 100% pure, so that after cleaning it simply evaporates and doesn't remain inside the phone. If you don't have any of these items, you can also use a regular toothbrush. Just make sure it's soft or medium soft, not hard, because a hard one will scratch your phone. You can buy all these items on Allegro or Amazon as a set, so you can just purchase them together. You get these two brushes and also the applicator for isopropyl alcohol included in the kit. So we start by turning off the phone. The phone must be completely turned off. Never clean the phone or any part of it while it is turned on. This is the most important, or one of the most important things you need to do. Then it's a good idea to slide the phone to the side so you have better access to it. Carefully drip a small amount of alcohol directly onto the bristles of the brush, making sure to apply it quite generously. So that there's a lot, the brush is wet. When my brush is wet, I clean the speaker with a steady motion in one direction. About 10 times like that. Repeat in one direction and then now in the other direction. 10 times as well. And you continue to repeat this specific cleaning action in each direction for a total of 10 times, which is 5 times in each specific direction. So that's about 50 individual strokes in each direction, and you'll have a perfectly clean and clear speaker. After the procedure, leave the phone with the alcohol so the alcohol can evaporate for about 10 minutes. As I always said, the phone must be turned off, and after this time you can turn the phone on and use it normally without any problems. That's all for today. Please give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.